Hello, you are welcome. In this video, we are going to evaluate with our calculator. This is 3 power 16 minus 3 power 12. Now, we are going to express this 16 as product of 2 and 8. We express 12 as product of 2 times 6. So this will give us 3 power, this is 2 times 8, minus 3 power, this is 2 times 6. Now, if you have a power n raised to the power of n, this equals a power n times n. So this is our n, this is my n, this is my n, this is my n. So we apply this identity because this is in this form. That means we have 3 power 2 to the power of 8 minus 3 power 2 to the power of 6. So from here, 3 power 2 is 9. We have 9 power 6 minus that's 9 power 8 minus this is 9 power 6 because 3 power 2 is 9. We have 8 here, we have 6 here. So what we can do is to express this 8 in terms of 2 plus 6. We have 9 power, this is 2 plus 6 minus 9 power 6. So if you have a power n plus n, this equals a power n times a power n. We apply this right here. We are simply going to have 9 power 2 times 9 power 6. So we have this is minus 9 power 6. So there's 9 power 6 here, there's 9 power 6 here. We can factor that out. We have 9 power 6 times this divided by 9 power 6. This is 9 power 2 minus this divided by 9 power 6. We have 1. So from here, we have 9 power 6 times 9 power 2 equals 9 times 9. That is 81. We have 81 minus 1. We have 9 power 6 times 81 minus 1. This is 80. So from here, we have 9 power 6 times 80. And remember, 9 is a perfect square, which is 3 power 2. We substitute 3 power 2 here. We have 3 power 2 raised to the power of 6 times 80. And don't forget a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times m. So from here, we multiply this exponent. We have 3 power 12 times 80. Now, if you have a power 12, we can express it as a power 10 plus 2. So we are trying to express this in terms of 10 plus 2 because we can easily find the value of 3 power 10. So this will give us 3 power 12 plus 2. So this is 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. So we have times 80. So from here, we are going to have 3 power 10 times 3 power 2 times 80, and 3 power 10 is the same thing as 3 power 5 times 3 power 2, which is the same thing as 3 power 5 or power 2. And this equals 3 power 5 is 243. This simply means we have 243 times 243. So we are going to multiply this out. This is 243 times 243. So we are going to have 3 times 3, this is 9. 3 times 4, 12, 2 carry over 1. 3 times 2, 6, 6 plus 1, that is 7. 4 times 3, 12, 2 carry over 1. 4 times 4, 16, 16 plus 1, 17. 7 carried over 1. 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 1, we have 9. 2 times 3, we have 6. 2 times 4, we have 8. 2 times 2 again, we have 4. This is 9, 4, this is 20. 0 carried over 2, add here. 9 carried over 1, add here, this is 59049. So this will give me 590. 49 times, this is 3 power 2, which is 9, times 80. So we are going to multiply this out. 59049 times 9. So you have 9 times 9, 81. 1 carried over 8. 9 times 4, 44. 44 plus 8. 9 times 4. Sorry, 9 times 4 is 36. 36 plus 8, that is 44. So we have 4. Carry over 4. 9 times 0, 0, 0 plus 4, we have 4. 9 times 9, 81. 1 carry over 8. 9 times 5, 45. 45 plus 8, that is 53. So you have 531441. We are going to multiply that by 80. That's 531441 times 80. So we are going to multiply this out. We have 531441 80. Let's start by using 0. Use 0 times 1, 0, 0 times 4, 0, 0 times 4, 0, 0 times 1, 0, 0 times 3, 0, 0 times 5, 0. So let's use 8. 8 times 1, 8, 8 times 4, that is 32. 2 carry over 3. 8 times 4 again, 32. 32 plus 3, 35. 5 carry over 3. 8 times 1, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. 1 carry over 1. 8 times 3, 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 5 carry over 2. 8 times 5, 40. 40 plus 2, that is 42. So you add this together. This is 0, 8, 2, 5, 1, 5, 4, 2. So this is 42,515,280. So this becomes the answer to the value of 3 power 16 minus 3 power 12. We have 42,515,280. So this is the step-by-step way of solving this without the use of calculator. The first step is to express this as multiple of 2 and 8 and express this as product of 2 and 6. So we made use of this identity. We express 3 power 2 power 8, in which 3 power 2 is 9. Then we break down this 8 into 2 parts, which gave us 2 plus 6. Then we make use of this identity. Then we apply it here and we factor out 9 power 6, which is common. Then we decided to subtract 1 from 9 power 2, which is 81, and that gave us 80. We multiply 9 power 6 times 80, but we could not find out the value of 9 power 6, so we further broke down this 9 into 3 power 2 and multiply the exponent, and we broke down this exponent into 2 parts, which is 10 plus 2, and we applied this identity again. Then we were able to find 3 power 10, which is 59049. We multiply by 9, multiply by 80. So we started multiplying 59049 by 9, then we had 531441, then multiplied again by 80, and that gave us the final answer. So this is how we actually did it, and if you enjoy, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you. See you again.